Over 70% of gas sold in America doesn't have enough detergents to keep your engine clean. And every year, hundreds of thousands of vehicles break down from carbon buildup alone. Today, I'm exposing the 11 gasoline brands you should never use. And at the end, I'll give you the top 5 fuels that actually protect your engine. The same ones my F-150s use to reach 375,000 miles without major repairs. Let's jump in. 11. Safeway gasoline. Cheap at the pump, expensive in repairs. Independent fuel tests show very low detergent levels, which lead to rough idle, sluggish throttle, carbon-coated plugs, and sticky valves. Engines torn down after years of Safeway fill-ups look tired, dirty, and worn. Not top-tier certified.
10. 7-Eleven gas. Big name, zero consistency. 7-Eleven doesn't refine fuel. They buy whatever's cheapest locally. One station may be fine, the next may be junk. Common issues: hesitation, poor mileage, engine knock, reports of water contamination and off-spec ethanol. Several stations have even been shut down by inspectors. 9. Sam's Club. Warehouse gas equals volume over quality. Fuel comes from mixed suppliers, meaning no fixed detergent formula, moisture and sediment in tanks, cloudy or stale fuel. Also not top-tier certified. Many cars show clogged filters and hard starts after filling up here.
8. Circle K.
Looks like a trustworthy chain, but they don't produce their own gas either. Weak detergents cause sticky injectors, carbon-coated valves, ghost-like misfires. Some Circle K locations were fined for water-contaminated fuel that stranded drivers on the road. 7. Murphy USA. Walmart gas. Built on being cheaper, but cheaper fuel means cheaper detergent packages. Common symptoms: rough idle, sputtering, early injector failure. Fuel tests often show inconsistent ethanol levels. Several locations were investigated for contaminated fuel.
6. Speedway. Clean-looking stations, dirty fuel practices. Mixed local suppliers plus low detergents equals carbon buildup and poor performance. After heavy rain, some stations were caught selling water-heavy fuel, destroying pumps and injectors. Not top tier. 5. Love's Travel Stops. Convenient for travelers, risky for engines. High-volume stations have trouble keeping tanks clean. Common findings: cloudy fuel, visible sediment, microbial growth. Yes, bacteria. These clog filters and injectors like glue. Many breakdowns have been traced back to Love's Fuel.
4. Amoco. BP Regular. People trust the Amoco name, but today it's just BP's regular fuel under a different label. Direct injection engines especially suffer. Fast carbon buildup, power loss, rough idle. Some stations use old storage tanks that leak moisture. Not always top tier. 3. Pilot Flying J. Known for a massive rebate fraud scandal, but their fuel quality hasn't been great either. Drivers often report knocking, loss of power, water or sediment in fuel. Convenience doesn't replace quality control.
2. Sunoco Regular. Racing brand reputation, regular fuel problems. Tests from watchdogs show regular grade Sunoco often has low detergent levels, off-spec ethanol, water contamination. The EPA has fined several Sunoco stations over fuel quality violations. 1. Shady distributors, illegal waste fuel. The worst of the worst. Companies like Lamb Fuels have been caught selling hazardous waste fuel mixed with used oil, industrial solvents, and chemical byproducts. Engines exposed to this garbage suffer melted injectors, dead fuel pumps, destroyed catalytic converters, total engine failure, completely criminal. Yet many drivers never know what they got.
Top 5 gas brands that protect your engine. 5. Chevron with Techron. Techron is the real deal. It removes carbon buildup, not just slows it down. Strongest detergent formula approved by automakers. clean valves and injectors, smooth idle even after high mileage, top-tier certified, consistent, reliable. 4. Shell with nitrogen enriched. Shell's fuel forms a protective barrier that keeps carbon from sticking. Benefits: cleaner combustion chambers, smooth idle, consistent performance across all stations. Top-tier certified nationwide.
3. ExxonMobil Synergy Fuel. Built on chemistry and consistency, excellent detergency, corrosion protection, identical additive package in every grade. High-mileage engines that run ExxonMobil often look spotless inside. 2. Costco Gasoline, the surprise champion. People think warehouse gas means low quality. Wrong. Top-tier certified. Additive levels often higher than many premium brands. Extremely fresh fuel thanks to high turnover. Very clean storage tanks. High quality plus low price equals unbeatable value.
1. BP/AMCO Ultimate, the strongest cleaning fuel available at regular pumps. Powerful detergents that can actually reduce existing carbon. Noticeably smoother idle. Better throttle response. Top-tier certified. Engines that switch to Ultimate often show improvement within a few tanks. You might already be using good fuel, but many drivers still fall for dangerous fuel myths that slowly destroy their engines. In the next video, I'll expose the fuel myths smart drivers still believe and how they secretly shorten engine life.